Welcome to my channel, loves. Today I'm going to show you how to easily make a Goodnotes sticker sheet using my free icons and wallpaper set. I'm using the 10.2 iPad Pro and a generic iPad pencil, which I highly recommend if you're just starting out and you're on a budget. The way I like to make sticker sheets is to first drag the Files shortcut to the dock at the bottom of the home screen. From there you open Goodnotes and swipe up from the bottom to reveal the dock. Drag the Files icon on top of Goodnotes and now you'll have a split view where you can swipe right to close and left to open. You'll navigate to where you saved your stickers and drag and drop them onto Goodnotes. I like to work in small groups and create mini collections of items that are similar so they're easy to find later. To resize and move stickers around, you can use the lasso or image tool. The lasso lets you select several stickers at once and resize them to the same size. Since these are icon stickers, some have white borders, but you can't see it on the white Goodnotes sticker page, so be sure to select each sticker with the image tool to see the actual border so you're not overlapping stickers. Once you're done adding your stickers, it's time to save your sticker sheet. Tap the thumbnails icon in the top left and select the pages you want. Tap Export and select the tab that says Goodnotes. Tap Export and name your file. I like to save mine to my file folder, but you can save it wherever you like. And that's it, you're done. I absolutely love making sticker sheets and have several themes in my shop. You can find this sticker sheet in my freebies along with the icons kit and lots of others by following the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.